जिस दिन मैं यहाँ पे पहली दफ़ा आया था इस एसोसिएशन के पास 85 lakhs थे फंड्स में. Outstanding was in a few crores too, which was owed to people at large. Today, we have a significant amount of savings close to 100 crores. We've been doing some good work. We've been trying to change the ecosystem. We've been trying to improve on things within the Delhi cricketing fraternity, and the effects of which are being seen, be overall player welfare, be former player welfare on terms of pensions, insurance, be infrastructure upgrades, be player performances across board. These are things that are slowly showing results. When you see players from different age groups being called upon for national roles, then it is something right which would have been happening in the last few years that they are now being called upon. So we'll see better results in sooner times than later is what I want to say.
And what prompted you to get into Delhi or cricket administration? What encouraged you? Because
See-
father का influence था या
नहीं, देखिए आप एक बात समझिए, हिंदुस्तान में हर कोई व्यक्ति जो है उनके लिए क्रिकेट एक पैशन है. क्रिकेट और क्रिकेटिंग एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में दो चीज़ों में बहुत अंतर है और फ़र्क है. When I saw this stadium being built a few decades ago and what state of affairs the association was going through is what was an instrumental factor to show कि भाई where was Delhi cricket and where it should be. There was a little gap. बाकी स्टेट्स एक रेस में आगे निकल रही थी और आप एक जगह स्टैग्नेटेड थे. Someone had to do the job, and being a passionate cricket avid fan and a lover for the sport, and it was hurtful to see where we were, and it was just an idea that I should go to the members with a request that let me give an opportunity to serve to do some change. And I've tried to do my changes in the last few years in my first tenure, and I hope to continue that if the members support me for the future as well. Legal profession मेरा primary occupation है. मैं लीगल प्रैक्टिस 365 दिन रोज करता हूँ. The cricket administration is a part and parcel which continues actively on a day-to-day basis. There has to be a lot of active involvement because there's a lot that happens during the cricketing ecosystem. अगर आप देखिए, अब अगर DDCA लीग के 1500 गेम होती हैं साल के, तो आप हिसाब लगाइए 3 गेम रोज चल रही होंगी कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी वेन्यू पे दिल्ली में. Under 16 leagues, 19 leagues, open leagues, women, men, junior, senior. There's a lot happening. High performance, player performance, reviews, fitness. So these are things which do take some time, but when you have picked up something good to deliver and committed to a cause, then you would want to do everything within your power to make sure that you achieve it.
Achha, your opponent has yesterday only talked about a lot of things like it's not member friendly. There are not many facilities for members as there are in other associations like Karnataka State Cricket Body. And he also mentioned about the money that has been spent on, which is over and above what should have been
See,
spent.
please understand something. जिस दिन मैं यहाँ पे पहली दफ़ा आया था इस एसोसिएशन के पास 85 lakhs थे फंड्स में. Outstanding was in a few crores too, which was owed to people at large. Today, we have a significant amount of savings close to 100 crores. We are an association where we've done player welfare, infrastructure upgrades, cricketing activities, improvisation, leagues being enhanced on different calibers. Most of the funds that are being used are either being used for cricketing activities or cricketing infrastructure development. Nothing else. Talk about members' facilities. The restaurants and the bars were closed over here. We've activated those. Those are functional. The gyms were in a applaudable situation. New gyms have been created both for players and members. You can go see those gyms. You will realize what has been created. These are world-class equipments from global leaders. It's not a fly-by-night operator who's done these things. You've had infrastructure upgrade. There were times in the past before I came into the administration where there were complaints on facilities, washrooms being not in a prime condition. So we upgraded everything. Today you don't get complaints from a venue saying basic amenities are not provided for spectators today. In regard to members, there's a new restaurant which is in the cards of being opened up. So these are things that are coming around. Your members' activities. At the end of the day, we need to remember we're also a cricketing association. For us, our primary focus is cricket. There's a card room which is functional for the members. There's Tombola which happens on a weekly basis. You've got a gym which is running. You've got a bar which is functional. You've got restaurants that are around. And with time, and these are things that were, cards room was a feature, but apart from that, the remainder were missing, and now they are there. And with time, I'm sure it will improve as soon as we have the bandwidth to, with space constraint restrictions, to try and do much better things.
And talking about cricket, you just said that this is a cricket association and
Yes.
focus has to be on cricket. Cricket में Delhi has been struggling for a long time. अगर आप 16 साल
Delhi has been struggling for the last
16 years.
few years. I really won't want to comment, but what we've done is that at least since the moment that I got elected to the post, we've done an overhaul on the under 16, under 19 leagues that have been brought by. We've seen results on that. We've qualified tournaments. We're doing better on the senior side. You've got players who are now being called upon in the squads for the higher up national responsibilities.
But that was there during your father's time also. They played India. I mean, most of
Yes, but what about in between? I am not comparing what my father did during his presidency or what happened then or what I have done. But look at a period as to what did I take. There were a few years in between where there was a gap. There were, if I can say, there were
5-6 years.
there were administrative problems, to sum it up. But what happened during those administrative problems? Cricket lost out. And today what am I trying to do is trying to make up on that lost period, because that administrative problem period has actually given other states an opportunity to grow and progress further. And today we are trying to catch up in a race. There were players who were playing many years ago. There were players who came in between for the country. Now, hopefully, we've got more players who are coming back up. So, in the last few months, you would have noticed that a lot of players across the 23 for the Emerging Cup have been called up for India A. Players for the Indian team have been called up. Players across the under 19 have been called up. So, this somewhere or the other is a result of an ecosystem that's been created, which is showing results now.